Good morning, guys. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to do a little experiment. Hopefully in your class you guys have been working and talking about volume and how you can measure using different volumes. You can use a solid, you could use a liquid, or you could use a gas. So today we're going to be taking a look at some liquids that we're going to use in order to measure the container. Today what we're going to be using is empty Coca-Cola bottles that are filled with water. We're going to see how many of these does it take to fill up our little plastic math tub bin that you may have seen in your classroom. So I want you to turn to a neighbor. I want you to talk to your neighbor. Kind of make a prediction. How many of these do you think it's going to take to fill up this entire plastic tub? Okay, so go ahead and turn to someone. So everybody should have time to share with their partner a good prediction of how many Coca-Cola bottles it's going to take in order to fill your math tub. While we're thinking about that, we're going to have lots of different Coca-Cola bottles that we're going to be measuring with, but the important part about these is they are all the exact same size, as you can tell. They may have a different label, one's gold, one's black, one's red, but they are all the exact same size. It's important to have the same size because that means it's going to be measuring it fairer or equal. If I used my coffee cup and I used one of these, it wouldn't be the same, so you wouldn't have the accurate form of measurement. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, while I'm dumping, I hope you all are counting along with me. I'm going to kind of zoom it in so you guys can see a little bit better. So this is one whole Coca-Cola bottle that we have just finished. And if you're looking close enough, you should be able to see we have made part of it full, but we still have a good ways to go. Here's our second bottle we're going to be dumping in. Okay. Here's our third one. Okay, I think we should be able to keep filling some up. So this would be our fourth bottle. Okay, and if you're looking closely, we're getting fuller, but we still have plenty of room. Okay. I'm going to say we can keep going right now. We've used 5 full Coca-Cola bottles. And I think we are right at the brim. So let's think, how many Coca-Cola bottles did it take to fill up our tub? Hopefully most of you were counting with me, and it took a total of 2, 3, 4, 5, and we have our 6th one back here. So these 6 bottles have the exact same amount of water in it that it did to have in our plastic tub that we completely filled up. Hope you guys get to do some more experiments in your class.